In this video, we are going to take the present value of a bond position. So this is $3,000 principal of a 2-year bond paying 7.5% semi-annual coupons. We're going to find the cash flows on this bond, and then if the semi-annual yield to maturity for this bond is 7%, then we want to find out what the present value of each cash flow is, and then we want to find out the present value of the bond. So I'm going to use Excel. I've set up a spreadsheet already to do some of the work, or at least the formatting. So this is a $3,000 bond with a maturity 2 years. It's got a coupon rate of 7.5% and a yield to maturity of 7. So since the coupon rate is greater than the yield to maturity, we are earning too much money from our coupons, which means we've got to lose some money on our principal. So this bond should be trading at a premium, somewhat a little bit above par. And my guess, again, we're earning 0.5% too much from our coupons. Yield to maturity is 7%. So we're earning over 2 years, we're earning about 0.5% too much. Per year, 2 years, that's 1%. 1% on the bond. This bond should be trading at about 101. $3,000 principal, $3,030. So let's go calculate this. So first we're going to start by just laying out our years. So this is 0.5, plus 0.5. So we have cash flows in 6 months, 1 year, 1.5 years, and 2 years. The cash flow is the principal of the bond, lock that reference, times the coupon rate, lock that reference, divided by 2. So those are our periodic cash flows, $112.50. And the last one is going to be different because we receive the principal back. And I'm just going to edit that one and add back in the principal. So our cash flows are $112.50. Those are our coupons, principal times coupon rate divided by 2. Until the end, the maturity of the bond, 2 years out, we get back $3,000 plus the coupon, so $3,112.50. The present value, this yield to maturity is semi-annual. So we take the cash flow and we divide by 1 plus the yield, divided by 2, to the power. Since we're dividing, we're just doing to the power 2 times number of years. If we hadn't divided and multiplied, we'd have a minus 2 times the number of years. So the present value of the first cash flow is $108.70. Copy that down so you can see each coupon, the present value of each coupon is getting smaller because the coupon's happening later in time. And then the last cash flow is worth quite a bit more because you've got the principal in there. The present value of our bond position is simply the sum of the present values of the cash flows, $3,027.55. And I guessed up front, again going back, coupons were earning us 0.5% too much. Coupon rate was above the yield to maturity. 0.5% too much for 2 years. That's 1% extra, which means the bond should be worth about 101 or have a price of 101. Bond prices are typically for $100 of principal. So the bond should be worth 101. $3,000 principal, that's $3,030. We have a present value of $3,027.55, so we came out pretty close. I hope that was helpful.